DJI Mavic Pro, the lost footage. Got that coming up next. Recently, I was out on my family channel called Bill's Adventures in Life, doing a lot of organization and straightening things out as far as playlists and cleaning things up and getting some new channel art out there and so forth. Well, one of the things that I came across was some footage from the DJI Mavic Pro. Now, this was footage that I had thought transferred over from my laptop over to my desktop, but it did not. Evidently, I lost it somewhere in transition, but it's all out on YouTube. And roll a clip. Now, it will be from my first few flights, so be kind in your comments to me as far as that's concerned. But let's go ahead and roll that clip, and we'll talk a little bit after that.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now?
Well, one of the things that really jumps out to me after that is looking at the colors, okay? I had done absolutely nothing as far as, I was brand new to drones at the time that I had the Mavic Pro, and I did absolutely nothing as far as settings were concerned. Whatever the settings were, I just went with them. And you can see as you look at the colors on there and compare to the colors that I shoot today with the Mavic 2 Pro and the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, it's not even close. But the one thing that really impressed me was how easy the Mavic Pro was to fly. It was incredibly easy. Being able to get it set up in a matter of minutes and up in the air was absolutely fantastic. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mavic Pro lost footage? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.